Hello, so today I will show you how you can customize your search results using DISGENET. So I will use the same result that we selected from our previous video, Duchenne muscular dystrophy, and we will use the GDA table. So as you can see in the GDA table, you have the list of genes that are associated in some manner to the disease. And these are extracted from different databases and also from publications. So you can also select different databases for which you want to display the data. So if we are interested in expert-curated databases only, we select here curated, and we will see that the number of items shown in the table have changed. From more than 500 genes, we have now 10 genes that have been reported in different expert-curated databases, and also some of the values of the different numerical features are modified according to the source database that we have selected. We can even select single databases. For instance, if we are interested to know which genes are reported by Orphanet, we select Orphanet and we see that it provides these two genes. So by customizing the different sources, you will see different results in the GDA but also in other tables. You can also use the different variables and columns that we have in the table to narrow down or select the search results. So if you are interested in associations that are very well known, you can select the score and filter for associations that are larger or equal to certain value. For instance, if we want high confidence association, we can select those larger than 0.5 score, and we will end up with 7 genes associated with Duchenne. We can also use these attributes to select those genes that are more novel or were recently discovered or are starting to be studied in the context of the disease. We can use low values of the score, for instance less or than 0.2, to get a set of genes that are less well studied but are interesting for Duchenne, or we can use the year of publication of the articles. We can see which genes have been described during this year, only one gene, or we can expand this to last year, and we will see that we have almost exactly 26 genes that were first reported as associated with Duchenne. You can also filter the data using the different attributes and ontologies that are available in DISGENET. One example is the protein class ontology, and you can even move this column at the start of the table to have it more easy for filtering or selecting the values. So imagine you are interested in those genes that are enzymes or encode for enzymes. You can use the ontology to select them, and you will see that there are actually 76 genes that belong to this class or other classifications that are available in this ontology. So in this way you can customize or filter the results of the search for your own purposes. In addition to performing searches for individual diseases, genes, or short list of genes and diseases and variants in the search box, you can explore the full content of the database by clicking Browse All. And you can have a view of the GDAs, VDAs, diseases, genes and variants, and also chemicals that are available in the database. So from here you can also apply the different filters that are available. For instance, by using the disease class, you can explore more in detail the particular classes of diseases available in the database, such as cardiovascular diseases or others. And from that, you can use the different columns that are available to select, for instance, that the variants that are associated with the disease or genes that are associated with a particular disease. In the case of GDAs, you can also have different attributes that you can use to display in the table and select the data as before. So with that, you have additional tips to customize your views and your searches and get the most of DISGENET.